This is the definition of a crafted burger, and I want to challenge any cook on this app that can make a better burger than this one. So tag your favorite cook to see if they are up for the challenge. So let's get started on this one. I'm going to start off with burger buns that I made from scratch. I'm going to start cooking off some bacon. I'm going to take out my bacon and leave a little bit of the bacon fat in there to cook some onion in it to give it that nice flavor. A little bit of salt, back in with the bacon, some brown sugar, and beef broth. Now I'm going to let that reduce. Once it's done, you have an amazing bacon jam. And now we'll make a beer batter because we're making beer batter onion rings. And now we fry our onion ring. Look at the nice golden brown color. It is done. Toast your buns with some butter. Now we smash our meat, season with salt and black pepper. Give them a flip, cheddar cheese, and Munster cheese. Spicy mayo, your burger patties, bacon jam, your onion ring, crown it with your bun. And now tell me this isn't the perfect burger. Just look at how amazing that burger looks. And you guys, this is a special one.